Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your AirPod on your iPhone. In my case here I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So what we have here, you're going to open the casing, and if it is for the first time, the AirPod Pro will show up here. Then let me go to this side. It was previously connected. Let me see. Okay, this is what we get. So when you open the box, this is what you get. Then you have to connect by clicking this side. Then when you connect, wait for it. In my case here, I can even get them out of the box, both of them. Then put them there. Then connect. Try to do this. So when you reach here, it will show the AirPod name, and if it is for the first time, if you have bought them new, they will come with the AirPod Pro. Then we have the battery percentage here, and also we have the casing percentage. So if I connect here, in my case here I have the latest update for the iOS, and it says it has connected. Then if you go back, you will see the AirPod settings here. So this is looking good. It's looking very nice. Actually, when I closed here, I tried to go back. So let me first go ahead and put the AirPods in my ear. Let me put one, then connect back again. So the sound is very nice. And close the case. Sound is very, very nice. It's a perfect one. So you try again. I'm trying to show you the settings. So it has connected already. So these settings here, so they're showing us the battery. You can change the name from here. You can also add on the noise cancellation. You can also automatically ear detection. It has very many things. You can also find it in case you lost it from your Find My. So this was just a quick one on how to connect your AirPods to your. So you have another setting here. Let me try to do this. So you have this. Okay. You have noise cancellation. You have this other setting here. Transparency off. Can increase. Can go back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop from here, and that was just a quick one. So we have the AirPod Pro from the US, as you can see. So sorry about the background noise. So I'm going to stop from here. Have a nice time. Goodbye.